Good morning. Back in Liverpool today. There's JJ and his missus. Pam, I think. I'm rubbish with names. Sorry. I call you Angela from now on. Yeah. Here on Blackpool Blackpool Magneteers pick. Steve's over there on that corner hiding. Just finished alive. I think you saw him pop out just now. There's a little walkway. There he is. Andrew's up there. Up in Billy. We got sorry somewhere. We got Welsh Dragon Magnets here. And AJ. I'm trying to do an AJ, there he is. On this bridge. Oh. Train going past. There you go. Alistair's had some pretty good finds coming out. He don't do videos anymore, does he? Track chairs, loads of them. Just ask if we can put them on. There's Murray.
Hello.
Trouble.
I'm not trouble,
You are trouble. Can I show you track chairs? Look at that. A little honey hole under this bridge he has. Lovely. Nice little cut through. Nice little, there you go. That's what the bridge is. Yeah? I haven't got a TikTok. Got time for a TikTok. That bridge there we go. Here we go, on this bridge. That's where AJ is. I'll show you AJ's stuff. Blackpool Magneteers. There's one of them. And there's the other one. Should be on my tea.
No, it's
oh, it's just
what's this one?
tripped over a hook. Got it as well.
Oh.
Right. Oh,
It's handy, that.
it's alright. There's Jay. That little orange, little luminous things. I think it's called a Haley. Not sure. Steve sat down again.
Never been off his arse all day.
Hasn't he?
No. Not done nothing, that lad over there.
Not listening to you.
All them bits at the side, that's what everybody else has done.
Right, I'll show you over this way. Sorry for the long intro, but I like this little spot here, a little footbridge here, and it's got Tracy and the Bates are down there. I think Tori's going down there as well for that other bridge. Ugh, there we go. There's Tori and the Bateses and Tracy. And then this little wasty bit here. Sweet. Have a dip over there. I'm gonna say Steve's picked a good spot. I've only threw him like 6 times. I keep pulling stuff out, so someone's been here beforehand. Take that with us, don't worry. Look at it. That's 5 or 6 chucks and keep pulling stuff out. And there's stuff in there, you know, you can feel it clacking on the stuff. Because of my words today. Just there, it's full of it. It's going to be a great day for scrap of this at least. Hey. And a massive shout out goes to Sue Stevens. Look at these little stickers they're handed to us from Ash. AJ Magnet Fishing. Canal clean up, she's done for us. Oh, canal clean up, there we go. The camera's pointing right way it is. And then Northwest Magnet Fishers, there we go. Look at that. And Northwest Magnet Fishers, shot. A bit cockeyed this, not like a grass verge. There we go, look at that. Ain't that cool? Thank you very, very much. Want me car then? Nice. Right, sweet little spot this is. Got a tyre iron or a tyre bar, whatever you call them. A jack, a CO2 can, H frame or whatever an insert Alistair called it. Cars. Got another one as well. 8 them. Me, Kieran and Tori did a video in Ashton. They got 100 and odd of them out. H frames. There you go. Got a shotgun cartridge, spent, but you know. Part of a frame, part of a bed frame it looks like. An E-clip of the tracks. I don't know, there's a few names for them. I don't know, anyway. Got all this. Trap bolts. About 4 of them. A couple more H-frame things. E-clip again. A weird brace in there. Loads of it, and Alistair's getting loads and loads of track chairs out. He's lost count of how many he's got. God, diesel's going to be paid for anyway. Whew. Lovely bridge. Right, I've had see that red clip or not? Red E-clip or a spike. Oh, excuse me, I'm a burp again. There you go. Oh, it's a lamp. Yeah, there's the bulb fitting. Pooped myself a bit when that came out. It's all crusty and I don't know. There you go. Bit of a spade. Some more trap bolts. Yeah, more trap bolts, which I'm happy with. And then I've just got this out. It looks like some under a railway bridge. So it looks like some sort of design of a fish plate. Some curvy fish plate or something. I'm guessing anyway. Let's have a look if the bolts go through. It won't be the same bolt, would it? Don't know, anyway, but that's heavy. It's coming back with me. And some more stuff. I'm just wanging it in that corner there. So pulling it, there's loads and loads in here. Alistair's had tons out. A lot of moving later. A lot of hard work. But there's going to be loads of money made by him. Woo. Loads of it. Right, the cash box. Look at that. And then finally got one of them.
Come on. Come on.
This is like a proper honey hole.
Came here last night.
You pour. You know, I think. Yeah, it serves you right if you did put all that in. And then I got that insulator. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to use, where is it? There you go, the G90. It's always having a bit of a chill, so I'm going to nick a G90 for a bit. So have a go with this. Look at that. Oh, knife. Had to be one here, didn't they? Rusty and crusty, but there's a knife. Knife's a knife. Some more fishing. Right, I'm going to stop in a second because I've had loads of stuff out. It's going to take us forever to get it all to the van because there's loads of it. But this is my share of it. Look at that, a battery for a railway LED hand lamp. Look at it. A battery pack out of it. Yeah, some more trap balls. Yeah, I've had some more trap balls. But those things there, whatever they are. Got a cash box. Got a light. Got a saw. That's all I have now. Wheel. Sure, that's something else. A bit of a plastic tape as well. And what I came for today, my very own track chair. There's loads of these come out. Because that line up there is disused on this side. So they just took them all off and lobbed them over like they usually do. Why they don't save them up for their own scrap things, I don't know, but there we go. Yeah, track chair. Sweet. A couple of heavy bits to take back. And yeah, I was down there chilling in the sun, fishing away, tidying up. There we go. People already moving scrap. 2 scrap points to pick up from. Had an awesome day. Oh yeah, there it is in the exhaust. I forgot about that. It was something else. Look at that. Exhaust. Alistair's still fishing away. So right, that's it. Yeah, I'm going to stop filming now. Crackered after all that. Right, so yeah, thanks for watching, and check out my other videos. I do a couple of solo dips at a reservoir, bottle digging, trying to find permission for a metal detecting at the minute. Catch up with my mudlarking, I'm not sure yet. They're quite local to me, so right. Just watching, and remember, shift your scrap.